Is your boss draining your energy or undermining your respect? You're not powerless and you're not alone. Discover a reputation-safe exit plan that avoids conflict and secures your future opportunities. Learn how to set boundaries, capture achievements, and plan a flawless handoff for a powerful move into independent contracting. The goal is clear. Leave clean, preserve your reputation, and transform your insider experience into a contractor-ready offer. This is not an emotional reaction, it's a strategic transition. Your guiding principle is control and credibility, not retaliation. Toxic workplaces can provoke impulsive responses, but professionals prevail by installing guardrails. Document your interactions, use neutral language, and align with company policies. This approach minimizes risk, diffuses tension, and reinforces your reliability. Begin with a concise record of your achievements. List completed projects, measurable outcomes, and stakeholder endorsements. Even a few quantified results and one strong reference can elevate your contractor profile. This evidence replaces debates with facts and becomes the foundation for your resume and offer. Update your resume with these achievements. A focused, accomplishment-based resume opens doors to contract roles and consulting engagements. MAD Solutions provides streamlined resources. Just click the link in the description to get started and learn more about our programs for independent contractors. Distribute your updated resume to consulting and subcontracting firms, employment agencies, and update your LinkedIn profile. Target contract positions that match your expertise. Every application advances your journey toward independence and professional growth. Take our self-assessment for a clear view of your readiness. Receive a structured summary of strengths and areas for improvement. For personalized support, our program offers templates, coaching, and a proven path to success. Draft a professional resignation letter emphasizing gratitude and a future focus. Prepare a thorough handover package to ensure continuity and demonstrate your professionalism. Reach out to trusted contacts for referrals and advice. Once you accept your first contract, submit your resignation and execute a proper handover, setting the stage for a confident and empowered career launch. Leave on positive terms, preserve relationships, and step into work on your own terms. Your exit is your launch. Start your independent career today.